Murigiro togandira kumurekerangana na igoro yoko nyara gusira amangana arengete byego ikyombe kema kimanyakante buna Forever Africa Power dada igokierure bona kwandira gusira umwana umunyero kasoko nyara kwaligania umuyego bwo osomuyega bwo kweboya umanyakante buna fashion umurikito Josephat Amisi nigabatoroboturu asenchira yoboime na enchira ya moyo koligia ebitoki ligosira asemerobelia abo yakira lituko yiranyara ko bagekwenekia buna omwane nyaro konyare ko bagagosirwa imeye county ya Kisii bono nigo ekyombegia Forever Africa Power dada kenyare ko bagekwaligania omorobilio fashion show liokoleta abagwatani na kwenekia buna banyare ko bagosira omuyego yo.
So today we expecting to have a fashion show, an auction and art exhibition. So the main reason is to create awareness on sexual health, reproduction, as well as promote talent among the youth. So we are expecting to also raise funds from the exhibition, which will be used to run the event throughout the year.
One of the contestants for Mr. and Miss Forever Africa. I'm happy to be here today, and I want to congratulate the organizers and thank everybody for making it happen today. All I'm expecting is the best to be crowned.
I'm contesting for Mr. and Miss Forever Africa, and my expectation is that we make use of our talents and skills to reach out to the vulnerable in the society.
Maminja kerokende na mwanya bantongo bakonyara ko bakoligereria omuyego fashion show unanigo okonyara ko bakoleta amo abana bali bwate chimbo chimbe abanyara ko bagwikirana nigo batebire nigo konyara ko bagokubali baga elio koerokia ebiegwa abanyara ko bagosenwa na birebyo.
Kwa watu hapo nje wenye wanadhani that modeling is all about immorality and stuff like that, like it does not promote anything. Modeling is a way through which we as young people, we help our society. So like most of the trans people who are crowned help in mobilizing society, charity events and stuff like that.
I'm a model here, and tonight we are going to perform. So my expectation is that it will be a very nice event.
Haba mura mona baisika banyara ko bagwikirana somo yo fashion show nigo batebire gwetere biegwe bia niga banga banyara ko bakwenyorere meremo aboigo kwegendereria sobugima bwabo bwakira lituko.
So through modeling is where you get fashion designers, is where you get a lot of creators, there is where you get art being practiced in real life, where people get to wear even art.
So as models, we encourage those who have the potential to do modeling to join us. Let's do this. It's not hard, it's just...
But I want to encourage them that modeling is a big field. You never know where your luck goes. I always say that, yes, I do study, but I am vast in my studies and vast in talent. Because I know one of them will give me a chance. Maybe perhaps modeling will give me a chance to my profession.
Kuripotiri kataseni Ndizi TV kuri county ya Kisii, Eliterane Josephat Amisi.